I made a free script for After Effects to help clean up your messy shape layers and keep them organized with a single click. Let me show you what it does. This is some sample art from my course, Animation Principles for Motion Designers. It's an Illustrator file, and if I right click and say create shapes from vector layer, it's going to generate a shape layer that's just completely unorganized. All of these generic groups, many of them containing the same exact styling, nothing is labeled, lots of redundancy, and Regrouper, which I have docked right here, is a very simple one-button panel. If I select my layer and I click on the Regrouper button, it's going to process the entire layer very quickly and give us this alert letting us know what it consolidated. So we started with 41 different groups. It identified lots of redundancy and merged them into 23 groups, and I only had one layer selected. You can select as many layers as you want to process. But now if we take a look, these groups are no longer generic group 1, group 2, group 3. They're based on the color of the contents, just like solid layers are in After Effects. And anywhere that it could, it merged groups together that had identical styling to reduce the number of groups that you needed. It's also paying attention to the stacking order of the artwork so you don't accidentally merge further than you should and still preserve the visual appearance of your artwork. This is something that I've done manually for the entirety of using After Effects until I created Regrouper. Now there is one more feature of it. If you hover over, you'll get a tooltip that shows that if you Alt or Option click on any of these groups, you can merge them together manually. So let me just show you this Deep Cyan 1 and 2 and show you why it's separated them. This instance right here, which controls the two different tires' inner hubcaps basically, has a stroke of 4 pixels. And in this one right here, this controls the next ring outwards. That has a 6 pixel stroke. So that's why it didn't merge those together. But if I select both of those groups, let's say I want to unify the stroke widths, I can Alt or Option click on that button and it puts them together. And now all of those shapes exist in the same group. So it does its best to intelligently separate out the groups in the best way possible, but also gives you the control to manually merge some things if you want to. It's a huge time saver. Now you can install this in a few different ways. If you want it as a script UI panel like I have it, you're gonna need to put it in the script UI panels folder for your version of After Effects. You'll just need to restart After Effects and then you can find it in the window menu. And there are installation instructions on the product page if you've never installed a script to After Effects before. But you can also run this through another tool like CodeRunner, which is a free script launcher that I've created. You can assign it to a button and click it to just pop open this panel so that you can access those two different actions at any point. You can also run this through K-Bar or Mobar if you like either of those tools. They work fantastic. You can also run this through the File Scripts menu. I try to design all of these tools so that you can use them wherever it feels most comfortable for you. You can find the download links down in the description. Now, I could only test this so much as a single person. If you use this tool and you find some bugs or you have feature requests, definitely let me know down in the comments and I'll see what I can do about making this tool better for everyone. And while you're on my website, make sure you browse my other free tools and check out my paid courses as well if you're interested in becoming a better motion designer. That's it for Regrouper. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a fantastic day and I'll see you in the next one.